Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Kiosk India. The product in front of you today is a 32-inch Easel Standee with a full HD ViewSonic signage display, super bright and super sharp. You can see the quality of video is very good, very sharp. There's a toughened glass in front of the display, so that nobody can damage the display in a public location. This specific Easel Standee is powder coated in black color, smooth powder coating. You can see these are audio speaker grills, and the stand is portable. This is very lightweight unit. You can carry it around in exhibitions, or you can keep it outside your shop. It's not a very high height. The height of the unit is not very large, so that the behind the display you can properly see other things. For example, if it's kept in an exhibition stall, the view of the exhibition stall will not be blocked by this easel stand. The video quality is full HD. There's a inbuilt USB ports inside this device. You can run either a cloud-based signage software in this device, or you can run an offline-based signage software. Both options are there. So inbuilt speakers, toughened glass, low weight, portable, full HD ViewSonic display with 3 years warranty, on-site warranty, and 4K signage controller with 2 options for signage software: cloud-based or offline, pen drive based. So in this offline signage software, you can divide the screen into multiple parts, play different playlists across different screens, have a ticker like you see "Welcome to Aerocraft" text is there. You can have a ticker like that. You can customize that ticker as per your requirement. And this easel stand comes in different sizes and also different colors. You can ask us your choice of color. We can make it as per that. Quality is sharp, and the speaker is also good quality. You can play audio videos in a loop. You can play hundreds of photos and videos one by one in alphabetical order, and the display is visible from side as well. I mean, there's no pixelation on the display. If you view from left or right side, from back side, looks elegant. You can pick it up and take it anywhere. Easy to carry, it's portable. So I hope you like this video. You can see there's an image slideshow coming here. You can set the timing of the image slideshow as well in the software. Thank you for watching, and do like and share and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting products. Thank you.